I'm actually here at my mother's house. She is launching a show, which is pretty exciting. And one of the things that she wanted to know is like, which mic should I get? Of course, there's one mic that shows up immediately when you go on Amazon. And when you jump on Amazon, you're like, I want a podcast mic. You get the mic and you don't want it. And so don't do that. She might have done that if she didn't have a son that was focused on this. And so here I am at her house. I flew out. I'm going to do a ski trip with my brother and also just hang out with, my mom, my dad, my sister, aunts, uncles, niece, nephew, whatever. It's going to be a lot of fun. And today, right now, I'm in her studio, her brand new studio. Yay. Where's my button for the clapping? Yay. I don't know if you can hear them at all. But one interesting thing that I thought we would do, or actually, I can't take the credit. My mom thought we would do this. She goes, hey, I love this mic. It's crazy how you can't hear all of this stuff. And so we thought we would do a double recording. A recording where we would use an actual mic, which we're using now. It's the Shure MV7. It's on my website. Go to growyourshow.com/PDF. You can get a whole PDF of everything that we recommend, stuff that we've used. Anyway, my mom went there. She ordered this stuff and it came to her house right before I arrived. And so we've got a double recording. We're using this nice mic and we're using the other one. And so let's get started. I got my mom, my dad, and my sister in this studio with me. And I'm going to ask them all to start talking. Go ahead, guys. Everybody talk. All right. So they're talking right now at about, I'm just going to guess they're talking at like a level 5. Hey, everybody, go, instead of a level 5, let's go to a level 9. All right, they're all at a level 9 now. And I don't know if you can hear them on the really good recording, but we actually have 2 different recordings going at the same exact time. And I'm going to play you this one. And then in a second, you're going to hear how that all sounded on the other recording. And then now you can make your own decision. Do I want to go to growyourshow.com/PDF and get a really good mic, or want to just use the one that I have?